Good morning and welcome to Miss D and
Miss D's
virtual science class. So your classroom will look a lot like this. You'll be one of these three tiles and only one of them will show up in your classroom. But let's just decide, we'll start with Science 6. And so in your stream will be announcements from us. We haven't announced anything to you yet, so it's empty. Your Classwork tab, though, is where we'll put all of your assignments. So first you'll see a materials topic or section where you'll have your science book. And there are instructions here and a couple videos about a video and a link about how to operate that. You'll need that all the time. So we'll try to keep it at the top. Also, your digital science journal will be here, and we'll get back to that in just a minute. Also, other topics will be lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. This will just help to make it easy for you to find what you're looking for, we hope. So we're going to build all those things out.
That's where you'll find your daily assignments. That's where they'll be posted.
Yeah. So we won't put in here every single lesson that you're going to do for lesson 1 or every investigation or every assignment, but they will come and be in here. So on Mondays at 8 a.m., we'll post your entire week of science. So if you're a go-getter and you want to do your entire science week on Monday morning, feel free, go ahead. Though some of your assignments are going to ask you to coordinate with your classmates and work in some small groups. So you'll have to be a little bit more flexible with that. But that's where we will put them all, is right there. Okay? Back to the journal. Here's where your journal will be. Once you create it, though, it will be in your Google Drive, and then your specific journal is specific to you. And it's a lot like 7th and 8th graders. It's a lot like the composition notebooks that you did with us in class, but digitally. And it will look like, whoops, wrong one. It'll look like this, my digital notebook. So your first day, you're going to need to change out the name here so you know whose it is. And there will be some other instructions in here for what to do. So just kind of work your way through these slides over here. Here's some quick tips for you. They're already set up to have a title, which is handy. You're welcome. So our first investigation actually won't be an investigation. It'll be the lesson 1 getting started. This is what you're going to do today. And you're going to be working on number 3. So you'll enter in your stuff there, whatever the answers are. This hashtag sign actually stands for number, just so you know. Now, some other quick things you may need to know. What if I deleted this text box and I have no idea how to add it back? Easy. Couple ways you could do it. One, you can just hit this quick button, but if your quick buttons are gone, go up to Insert, Text Box. Then you simply draw out your text box however big or small you want it, and then inside you can put your stuff again. Okay? Easy enough. What if I'm required to upload a picture? Easy. There's also a quick button here. Upload from the computer. You can search the web, or something might be in your drive. Or you can go to Insert Image and you have the same options. So like if we needed you to find a picture of tornado damage. Ooh, that looks pretty damaging. Oh, I'm going to pick this one. Click it, insert, ta-da. Then you can just resize it and move it where you need it. Okay, let's say it was for question number 3 and we had you doing a lot of questions. We might ask you to put a caption by it. Grab a quick text box, throw it in there, and then write number 3 house from tornado damage. No big deal. Move things around as needed. Last thing is if you needed to make a shape, click the shape button. I kind of like making arrows because maybe number 3 would be right there. And make a quick arrow. Goes where you need it. That's it. Oh, if you need to insert a link, we'll have to tell you how to do that later. Good luck.